Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to import Word to PowerPoint. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. On the top of the page, you can find the toolbar arrow. Just click on it. And from the drop-down menu, select More Commands here. Next, here select All Commands. Then locate the Send to Microsoft PowerPoint option here. Click on it, and then click on the Add button here, and then click on OK. Then, on the top of the page here, you can find the icon for PowerPoint. Just click on it, and that's it. Your whole content in Word moves to PowerPoint. So, it was the simple and easiest way to import Word to PowerPoint. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.